Chuy River and Chuy River. Redirect here. For the river of Anhui, see Chu River. For the South American Chuy River on the Brazil-Uruguay border and Brazil's southernmost point, see Chuy Stream. For the Nam Sam River at Chu River on the Lao-Vietnam border, see Nam Sam River. The Chu is a river in northern Kyrgyzstan and southern Kazakhstan, of the length of approximately 1,067 kilometers. The first 115 kilometers are in Kyrgyzstan. Then for 221 kilometers the river is the border between Kyrgyzstan and Kazakhstan, and the last 731 kilometers are in Kazakhstan. It's one of the longest rivers in Kyrgyzstan and in Kazakhstan. Chuy region, the northernmost and most populous administrative region of Kyrgyzstan, is named after the river. So are the Chuy Avenue, the main street of Bishkek, and the city of Chuy in Kazakhstan's Jambul region. Course. The Chu River is formed by the confluence of rivers Junak and Kochkor in Kochkor district of Naran region. After approaching Lake Isikul within a few kilometers, without either flowing into the lake or draining it, it turns to the northwest. In the 1950s, an old riverbed called Kemaldi linking Chu River and Isikul could be seen. During floods, part of Chu water were reaching the lake. Such outflow cannot be seen since construction of the Tokoi Reservoir. After passing through the narrow Boom Gorge, the river enters the comparatively flat Chuy Valley, within which the Kyrgyz capital of Bishkek and the Kazakh city of Chuy are located. Much of the Chuy's water is diverted into a network of canals to irrigate the fertile black soils of the Chuy Valley for farming, both on the Kyrgyz and Kazakh sides of the river. As the Chuy flows through the Chuy Valley, it forms the border between Kyrgyzstan and Kazakhstan for more than 100 kilometers. But then it leaves Kyrgyzstan and flows into Kazakhstan, where, like many other rivers and streams that drain northern Kyrgyzstan, it eventually disappears in the steppe, short of reaching the Sir Darya, into which it would drain in wet years. History. The area of this river was originally home to the Iranians Suf, who spoke Sogdian and East Iranian language. During the Middle Ages, the area was strategically important. It was the setting of Swayub, the capital of the Western Turkic Khaganate, and Balasagun, the capital of the Karakitans. Chuy River posed a risk of flooding for settlements located in Chuy Valley. In winter 1878, an ice gorge formed on Chuy River upstream town Tokmok that was the center of Semi-Richi province. This was followed by severe flooding that damaged the town, and the center of the province was moved to Pishpek. After this, Tokmak gradually lost its significance. Dams. The river flow is regulated by the dam at Tokoi Reservoir in Kyrgyzstan, built in 1957, and the dam at Tasatkul Reservoir in Kazakhstan, built in 1974. Ecology and environment. Environmental monitoring. The Kyrgyz State Agency on Hydrometeorology and Kazakhstan Hydrometeorological Service operate a number of water quality monitoring stations on the Chuy River and its tributaries. Water quality. According to Kyrgyz State Agency on Hydrometeorology, in 2004-08, water pollution index of the Chuy River in Chuy Valley ranged from 0.25 to 0.7 units, that is interpreted as Class 2. The only exception was a monitoring point downstream Vasily Uka village, where water pollution index ranged from 0.4 to 1.2 unit and water quality was assessed as Class 2, Class 3. According to Kazakhstan Hydrometeorological Service, water pollution index of Chuy River in Jambul region of Kazakhstan amounted to 2.01 in 2008, and 1.83 in 2009. Such water quality parameters as biochemical oxygen demand, nitrites, copper, phenols exceeded the maximum allowable concentrations. Major tributaries. In Kyrgyzstan, 4,892 rivers and canals flow into Chuy River. The list of the major tributaries include Chongkemen River, Kemen River, Kara-Konuz River, Shamshi River, Ysyk River, Alamadun River, Ala-Archa River, Jilamish River, Aksu River, Kara-Balta River, Gallery,